Okay, the customer sent in this Xbox Series X controller. It has stick drift, of course it does, they all do. So we're going to be installing these Hall Effect thumbsticks. They run off magnets instead of contacts. So we're just going to go ahead and do a quick replacement, and then I'll show you guys how that's done. Somebody replaced this stick already. These are both unconnected. Look at these wires. To me, this mess looks like they didn't use flux is the problem. Okay, what I like to do first is add some leaded solder to all of this, just because it makes it easier to melt. So add a ton of flux. And it doesn't really matter, like if you add too much it's fine, because we're just taking these out anyway. If you don't add regular or the leaded solder to this lead-free solder is so hard to get off. It's got to get really hot to melt. Okay, now that we got that installed, all I do now is I need to wait for this specialized soldering iron that I have. I need to wait for this to get really hot and heat up so that it can melt. While working on these, you really need to get yourself a clamp like this. Makes it so much easier. So we're getting there, but what I like to do is I'll just take my my solder, put it on there to see if it melts. It's melting pretty good, so get our fume extractor on so I don't die of cancer. Okay, and then all I do is you line it up. You need to get yourself one of these, by the way, if you do this all the time. But just line it up, push down, and then pull gently on the thumbsticks. Just pops right out. Okay, there it is. It is out. Okay, and these two thumbsticks are worthless. Now what we got to do is we got to clear the holes, which this can sometimes be a super big pain. Okay, I think I got it pretty good. So now I'm gonna put these thumbsticks in. Always check them before you put them in, as far as like make sure they're gonna click, make sure that they move. So go ahead and get these puppies installed. Flip it around to the other side. Okay, we got them both in now. They're installed, ready to be soldered on. So we're gonna add more flux. Okay, flux is added, and now time to add the solder. Okay, now with those installed, we're going to go ahead and plug this in and calibrate these thumbsticks. Okay, I got lucky with these ones. They are centered pretty good, so don't need to do any calibration. So we'll go ahead and get this thing put back together. Okay, so that is it. That is pretty much how simple and easy it is to swap out your thumbsticks and do the Hall Effects mod. So I mean, realistically, those should last a long time. I don't know if they'll last forever just because those sensors are sensors and they could go bad eventually, but theoretically they should last a long time, a lot longer than what you're getting out of the stock thumbsticks from the you know, from the manufacturers themselves, from Sony and Xbox. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Like I said, if you want to get your controllers repaired, get on our website at magicvalleyretro.com. You can get a hold of us, go to our repairs and mods page. You can get a hold of us, send us an email of the repairs you're wanting. We can give you a quote, or if you're wanting to purchase these for yourself, go check them out on our website. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one.